Good morning, everyone. Myself Muralidhara Reddy. In this video, we are going to discussing about we can explore pom.xml options. Okay, let's see the demo and go to the Google. Here you can type it like pom.xml. Okay, for Maven project, just type it here, and here you can see like Maven pom.xml file, and also you can open this one. You can open multiple things and you can see what are the options here. Okay, not this one. Okay, here we can see it. See inside the pom.xml, what I said, like we have a project tag. Inside the project tag, we can declare all the Maven related plugins, dependencies, everything, right? We can discuss one by one. First one is module version. As I said, module version should be 4.0.0. It should be mandatory. And also we can declare the group ID. Group ID is nothing but example, TechWorld with Murali. The reverse domain we have to add com.techworld with Murali, that group ID. Okay. Then artifact ID. What is the artifact ID? Artifact ID is nothing but project name. Okay, then you have to mention the version. What is the version? Whether snapshot it is, you can declare that particular version. And here packaging means whether it is Java, jar or var. Okay, if you are not mentioning this inside the pom.xml, default it will be considered as a jar file. Okay, and then dependencies. If you want to define any dependencies, you can define here. Example I have already uploaded here. We can discuss. 1 second. I'm closing this all one. Dependencies we can see here. Inside that I have declared dependencies. Okay, dependency, if you observe here, we have a example. When you create a project, it will be generate it will be inside the pom.xml. We have a dependencies order, right? JUnit dependencies. These are the dependencies we have to add it. If you want to define not only JUnit, if you have multiple dependencies, we can define inside the dependencies tag. And parent tag is nothing but, for example, you have another project. If you want to call that project as a parent pom, we can declare. Example, if you observe here on top, go top. Yeah, here parent, I'm giving that group ID, artifact ID, version, and the relevant path where is that particular pom.xml is available. Okay, got it right? Parent tag. If you have another pom.xml, if you want to call it as a parent, you can declare here parent tags. Okay, next one. Modules, dependency management also we can declare inside the dependency. This particular dependency management, this dependency, whatever we declare in that, inside this particular dependencies management, we can declare multiple dependencies. Based on our record, we can declare it. Module is nothing but example. You can go to Google, Java modules, GitHub. Okay. Maven. Now, if you open here, example, you can take it any one of that URL. It is opening. If you observe, not this one. Give me 1 second. I'm checking here. Maven example GitHub. Okay. Yeah, here module concept. You can see here we have a module 1 and module 2. If you want to call that module 1, module 2 inside the pom.xml, we can declare inside the pom.xml like this modules and module name. What is the module name? Module 1 and module 2. We can call it like this. When you run this main pom.xml, what will happen? Internally, this whatever we have 2 modules, right? 2 modules will be called automatically. Inside this module also we have a pom.xml. Got it right? What are the uses of modules? Next one. Properties. What are the uses of properties? For example, properties will act as a variables. Okay, we can declare here. We can call that variables anywhere. Example, I have declared here. Example, if you take it here, properties version I have given 3.01. Okay, this particular properties we can call it anywhere using $symbol. Using $symbol. Example, you can see where we can call that one. We haven't called anywhere, but we can call it with the $symbol. Okay. Properties, instead of writing multiple times same value, declaring, we can declare the properties, we can call it the values to anywhere inside the pom.xml using $. Okay. Next one, build section. If you want to declare build related configuration, if you want to declare, we can declare inside the builder. Next one, reporting means if you want to generate and reporting, example, sonarqubeinenglish report, if you want to declare that, if you want to define that particular path, you can define inside the reporting. This 2 is a build settings related stuff. And then more project information like who has created, who is the author. Okay, if you want to declare the URL, developer name, contributor name, if you want to declare, you can declare this project, more project information. And coming to this one, environment setting, if you want to define anything environment level, you can define here. Issue management, mailing list, if you want to define mailing list. SCM is nothing but source code management. Remember, Git is a source code management tool and also version control system. Okay. And free request set, if you want to define any free request sets, you can declare. And if you want to define any repositories information, you can define here. If you want to define any plugin related repository, if you have to define, you can define here. And distribution management will be define Nexus and JFrog configuration. Why we need to define the inside the distribution management? If you when you use the Maven deploy, you want to push that particular jar or Oracle to Nexus, right? You have to declare Nexus or JFrog related snapshot and release. Example, I can show you here. If you observe here, we have a distribution management. We have declared, example, we have declared snapshot and release the particular URL. Okay, got it right? We can declare, I will show you later. If you have any profiles, you can declare profiles concept, config also, tag also. Remember, this configuration, everything will be written by developer only. In case if they have any help, if they are stuck in somewhere, we help them. Okay, we help them. Okay, but you don't want to worry if when someone is asking interview level, don't say I haven't written the pom.xml. You should say you have written. The reason is if you say like I haven't written the pom.xml, it means you haven't worked. Interviewer think like you haven't worked Maven concept, because even though if you are not in real time, okay, most probably everything will be written developer only. If they stuck somewhere, they will reach out us. So be careful when you are asking in interview level. You have to set, and also what are the options you have written, you have to explain. I have given the artifact ID, group ID, and also snapshot, and also we have defined that dependencies, distribution management. We have declared the particular snapshot, I mean the particular Nexus and JFrog related configuration we have defined, and also plugins, everything we have done it. Okay, you have to tell like this. And also one more thing, for easier purpose, I have created one Maven project. Inside the pom.xml, I have defined all the options for each and every option. I have defined one sample. You can take a look this one. This is my github.com/techworldwithmurali, my GitHub repo. Okay, that main account. Inside that we have a Maven project. Go to that Maven project and see the pom.xml. I have defined each tag. I have defined sample one. You please take a look. Okay, it is simple only. Based on you are doing the practice, one by one you will be know this Maven related options. Okay, I hope understand that. Any questions? If you have any questions, feel free to comment. Thanks for watching this video. We will see you next video.